Today we look at the RMR weight tracker. I think something that you must do first is to set the preferences under your profile for measurements. Let's go to my profile, under preferences. I'm saying I want my weight measurements to be kilograms. And length units to be centimeters. Make sure you've got the right thing selected there and press save. Now let's go to the weigh and measure screen. There's also a shortcut Alt W if you're on the PC. By default it will open this week. So you see this week is running from, well, it's got the last 7 days in there. So find today, which is the 5th. Make sure weight is selected and edit this entry. And you can put your weight in there and press update. If you measured earlier also, you'll see this little dot now there on the 30-day analysis. Let's say I've got another weights I want to capture. I also weighed on Friday, and that was one. To weigh myself the 30th. 1.5. And the chart will every time redraw and showing you your goal weight in the green. Let's just go back to my preferences. I think this goal weight is also on the preferences profile. Yeah, target weight 101. So that 101 is representative of this green area, 101. If you click there, it will go back a full week. So it's 30 January to 5 February now. I click that. Now it's 29 January till 23 to 29. Or you select a specific day, the 2nd, and then the 2nd will be at the bottom. So let's capture right there. 12, okay. Now you see there's no values in between, so I just draw a curve between the two. Let's go forward again to today. Right, so there's the values now. Now, if you fill, my stuff is broken here because I didn't fill in information. If you fill in something on all the days or at least once a week, you'll have a proper chart going here. Now, let's say you want to capture something else. These are the things that you can capture: waist, upper arm, leg, and hips. Okay, let's do waist. You select waist, and now the whole chart has reset it and want to draw the values for waist. And this value maybe doesn't make sense on the side because there's nothing captured. But let's capture something. What's a realistic value? I don't even know. 80. That's too much. I don't know. Update. Okay, there's a little dot, and now the y-axis values is within the range to capture that. Let's capture another value. Then it starts to draw the line. Unfortunately, there's no targets on this. Okay, so if we go forward now, you'll see that it starts drawing a proper chart now. And the same for hips, upper leg, and so on. And be careful when you start switching your units of measure. You'll see in the moment the system stores it in kilograms. So when I go to my profile, I change my preference to pounds. it should auto convert that stored values to pounds. Yes, okay. Same thing. So it always stores in kilograms, but it will do an on-the-fly conversion based on your preferences. Now, be careful not to try and capture kilograms now. It actually, the label also changed here, so we have to capture something pounds. And it converted it to kilogram, stored it in the database, and then brought it back to the screen, converted it back to pounds. So if I switch back now to 245.1 on the 31st, take it back to kilograms, and now it doesn't have to do any conversions. There we go. Converted that. Okay, now if you go to your dashboard will start looking better now. You will see some captured values. So look at that change here right now. Let's go to restoration phase. Now you've got a little red line going around your forecasted weight loss. Tools, weigh and measure. It shows 1 week at a time. Depending on the day you pick, it will show that whole week ending at that day. If you use left and right, it will go 7 days left or right. And that's it. Thank you for watching.